In this video, I will show you how to boil corn on the cob using the stove. This is a simple method that anyone can follow, and it only takes a few steps. Whether it's your first time or you've done this before, stick around to get the best results. Step 1. Prepare the corn. The first thing we need to do is prepare the corn. If your corn still has its husk, remove it completely. Pull off all the leaves and those little silky threads. Do not worry if it's not perfect, just do your best. Once your corn is clean, set it aside. Step 2. Fill the pot with water. Next, grab a large pot and fill it with enough water to cover your corn. Place the pot on the stove and turn the heat to high. Let the water come to a full boil. This may take a few minutes, so feel free to keep prepping or tidying up while you wait. Step 3. Add the corn to the boiling water. When your water is bubbling away, carefully add the corn. Use tongs or your hands, but be cautious, the water is very hot. Make sure each cob is fully submerged in the water. Once the corn is in, the water might stop boiling for a moment. That's normal. Just wait for it to return to a boil. Step 4. Simmer the corn. As soon as the water starts boiling again, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let the corn cook for about 4 to 7 minutes. This is where the magic happens. The corn becomes soft, tender, and absolutely delicious. Step 5. Check for doneness. After about 6 minutes, test your corn to see if it's ready. Take a sharp knife and pierce one of the kernels. If the knife slides in easily, your corn is perfectly cooked. If it feels a little firm, give it another minute or two. Step 6. Remove the corn from the water. Once your corn is tender, turn off the heat and carefully remove it from the pot. Use tongs or a slotted spoon to avoid splashing hot water. Place the corn on a plate or a clean kitchen towel to let it cool slightly. Step 7. Serve and enjoy. Now, it's time to enjoy your freshly boiled corn. Add a little butter, sprinkle some salt, or even try some pepper or paprika for extra flavor. It's simple, tasty, and perfect for any meal, and there you have it. You've just boiled corn on the cob like a pro. This method is quick, easy, and works every time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Blogan Good Food for more cooking tips and recipes.